Well, I'm back at again at the Trout Lake. The weather has cooled down, so the bite should be on fire. Stay tuned, guys. Beautiful rainbow. First rainbow of the day. Oh, there you go. Alright, this is number 2. There you go. That's 2 now. Let's come from this side. This might be where they're schooling. Oh no! Came off unbelievable. There we go. A real skinny one. Good length. Alright, hands are wet. There we go. Whoa! Good length, but not enough meat. Need those big ones to come out more. Can't seem to find them. Those are still good eating though, but you want a little bit more meat if you want to take one home. these waves are actually helping quite a bit. You might not think that, but when I was over there at the fishing dock over there, it's pretty calm and the fish were not biting at all. But over here with the wind blowing, the little bit of waves here, it's actually helping, imparting a little bit of action onto my ice jig to get the trout to bite. So oh, it's a sunny. Oh man, it's a nice size. Good eater if I was gonna actually eat them. Pretty small. There we go. Come on. Take it down. Might be just them sunnies again. If it was a trout, would have taken it already, but oh, come on. I dare you. Pick it up again. Come on. Here we go. There we go. Oh, nice female. Nice one. Got a nice size and length. Oh, okay. Calm down. I got you. There we go. Oh, there you go. Well, it was a very productive day today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the like button. And I'll see you guys next time.